Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your name on Facebook. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to change your name on Facebook, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, first things first, how do you exactly change your name? Well, this one's quite easy. So you want to go ahead and open up the Facebook app, click on the three bar icon at the top left of your screen, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here, expand settings and privacy. So this is what you should be seeing. You want to access settings. Now, under settings, you want to go to account center, and you want to go and just choose profiles and personal data or personal details. Now, in here, you want to go and choose the account that you want to update. Like, for example, I want to update this one. Now, in here, you have four options. You have name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Let's go and choose name. Now, in here, you have the option to add your first name, your middle name, your username. Now, if you want to start managing other names, so if you click on manage other names, you should have the option to manage your nickname. Or you can even change this like a maiden name, your alternate spelling, your married name, your father's name, your birth's name, or whatever you want to add in here. Like you go and just enter your nickname here and show it at the top of your profile if you want to, and click on save. Now, just one thing that you need to understand here. Now, you won't be able to change your name again for 60 days. So just keep that in mind. So again, if you change your name or update your name here, just make sure it's actually correct. Or if it's misspelled, it will be stuck for 60 days. It's going to be stuck like that for 60 days. But yeah, so go and click on review change here. Agree to the changes and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.